This week on Theme Park Bar, we're celebrating Halloween, except all the tricks are on me and all the treats are for you as I'm showing you how to make the super spooky Circus Peanut. Ooh. Happy Halloween, everyone! This week we're wrapping up the spooky season, which is always a huge whirlwind of emotions. It's no secret, guys, that I love Halloween. And you know what? Despite the world trying its absolute hardest to stop all the spooks this year, I've had the most fun that I've had in years in the haunt season. I've got to experience such great haunts like Sir Henry's Haunted Trail, Undead in the Water, the brand new Scream and Stream, even seeing Howl-O-Scream for the first time in almost a decade, and of course everyone's favorite, Diet HHN, which is actually of course where this week's cocktail is coming from. So the Circus Peanut debuted at the Skeleton Bar during the test week of Universal's 2020 seasonal Halloween event, and it disappeared off the menu in the blink of an eye. It combined the rich flavors of Skrewball Peanut Butter Whiskey and the bitterness of Campari. This cocktail is what many people would call unique. In all my time as a professional bartender and just a cocktail aficionado, I don't think I've ever seen a drink so universally disliked as much as the Circus Peanut. The day of the event, the one of 2 days the drink was available, I posted my review on Twitter, and ever since then, my mentions, my comments, and my DMs have been absolutely flooded with all of y'all demanding I show you how to make this drink. So, y'all get what you asked for. Here's what you're gonna need. 1.5 ounces of Skrewball Peanut Butter Whiskey, half an ounce of Campari, half an ounce of banana liqueur, and 3 ounces of orange juice. Alright, let's do this. Start off with the Circus Peanut. We're going to get a mixing glass filled with some ice. To that, we're going to throw in 2 ounces of our Skrewball Peanut Butter Whiskey. After that, we're going to throw in half an ounce of Campari. Campari is an Italian liqueur. It's a bitter aperitif. It's bitter. It's very bitter. Banana liqueur right after that. And lastly, we have our 3 ounces of orange juice. Alright, get your mixing tin, give her a seal, and shake it. Pull up your serving glass and pour. Of course, you want to top it off with a Circus Peanut candy. And, you know, in tribute to the Skeleton Bar, I got some skeleton straws here. And there we go, the Circus Peanut from the Halloween seasonal event testing weekend, Diet HHN, that first weekend there. This drink lasted 2 days, guys. Do I really need to taste it? Y'all saw me on Twitter taste it, right? Alright. Oh, God. That's not good. Jesus. Oh, God. So, Campari, like I said, is a bitter aperitif, meaning it's bitter, essentially. It's just bitterness in a glass. Mix that peanut butter whiskey, the Skrewball. It kind of reminds me of tasting like a bad peanut. If you're, eating cocktail peanuts or something, you get that bad one, and you're like, oh, I'm done with peanuts for a while. That's what this tastes like to me. It sounds so promising because you got banana and peanut butter liquor in there. So banana and peanut butter sounds fantastic. OJ with banana and peanut butter. I mean, kind of sounds like childhood, maybe a little bit. But then that Campari comes in there and just it's like throwing a wrench into it's like throwing the wrench in the gears there. I don't want to drink any more of this, but it feels. Yeah, this This shit is gross. I'm sorry. I always try to have an open mind. I don't understand really what they were going for here, but it's a pretty looking drink. It's named after a candy. I guess it's a nice drink if you want to like prank your friends, if you want to, you know, trick or treat. I mean, obviously the trick is on me here this year, but we'll try it compared to like just a circus candy itself. Do a side by side. I got one in there, but it's already soaking and everything. Oh. It doesn't get better. Like, usually a drink gets a little easier to go down, but... Alright. Do a side-by-side here. You know, I don't really like the candy either, but it's a million times better compared to this. Jeez. I'll try to do a little side-by-side. No. Oh. 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 No. Oh, I had to. So the combination of a Circus Peanut candy and a Circus Peanut cocktail does not save either of them. Guys, make whatever drinks you want to do. I cannot endorse this as a good idea, but y'all wanted me to make it, so happy Halloween, I guess. Woo! Alright, that's bad. And I just can't let that in good conscience be your Halloween cocktail. So I'm going to pull a move straight from Skeleton Bar here and make a quick replacement drink for you. Resurrecting from Halloween Horror Nights 29 is going to be the Vampire's Curse. This is a delicious and easy to make rum punch that you can make by the glass or the gallon in no time flat. Here's what you're going to need. 2 ounces of spiced rum, 2 ounces of sweet and sour drink mix, and 3 ounces of fruit punch. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the Vampire's Curse working here for you. Of course, like always, we're starting with our mixing glass with ice. Alright, we're going to throw in 2 ounces of our spiced rum. Using Captain Morgan today, but use whatever spiced rum you like. After that, 2 ounces of our sour drink mix. And last but not least, some good old-fashioned red fruit punch. It's pretty easy. It's a nice thing about Halloween. Not everything is going to be over the top. From there we get our tin. Really quick, easy shit. Well, it smells better. It looks better. I'm spilling. It's on the bar. It happens sometimes. I'll throw in another Skeleton Bar straw, and there you go, guys. The Vampire's Curse. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna throw in just a couple of berries. They definitely don't do this in the park. It's just I wanted to do it, and I had some berries. So, all right. Let's go ahead and give the Vampire's Curse cocktail a taste here. Ooh, look at that. Oozing down. All right, we're getting messy. Very nice. Very simple. It's not the most complex drink in the world out there, but you know what? That's what I love about Halloween. It doesn't always need to be the over-the-top, big, crazy production. Sometimes you just need a little bit of rum and fruit punch, and it feels like a party. You can easily batch this up. You just want to keep the ratios the same. Equal parts sour mix and rum to 1.5 parts of fruit punch. So if you use 1 bottle of rum, use 1 bottle of sour mix and a bottle and a half of fruit punch, or about, 1.5 liters. Very easy to drink, very sippable. This, if it weren't for the Saturn, I probably would have drank more of these at Halloween Horror Nights 29 than anything else. Or, I guess Long Island's too. I like drinking a lot at Horror Nights. It's part of the fun, you know? Vampire's Curse, 3 ingredients, super quick, easy, and simple to make, and absolutely delicious for your Halloween parties. Not that you should be having Halloween parties, because, Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me here on the Halloween edition of Theme Park Bar. We are sadly at the end of the spooky season, so if there are any seasonal cocktails you want to see me recreate here in the next coming weeks, let me know down in the comments below. And if you're new here, become one of my bar regulars simply by subscribing to the channel. You can chat with me all over social media, Twitter, Instagram, both at Theme Park Bar. And you can find all my past videos and recipes over at themeparkbar.com. Also, don't forget to pick up the Theme Park Bar t-shirt so you can support the show looking fabulous. Remember when you're going out to please always be safe, drink responsibly, always check your candy for any razor blades because there's some sickos out there, and never forget to tip your bartenders. Until next time everyone, cheers. Oh, I grabbed the wrong glass. Ah.